is the house that we almost buy, guys. This one right here. Philippines.
Because when I was in the Philippines, that's how when we ordered chicken all the time. That's how they came.
Hindi katulad noon na pang, dito, ganyan. Ang daming fats, nahuhulog. A lot of garlic, guys. Won't fit. And the top one, top higher. That one over there. Hala, how many milk?
You got one in your hand, so forget about it.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. I'm watching Judy's time as usual. Always kapag may time, pinapanood ko si Judy. Good morning po sa inyo. And nagre-ready ako guys kasi lalabas ako. Itong lipstick na to is ibang mixture na naman ito guys. Ang mini-mix ko this time is natumba na. Ito siya, si Maybelline. Dalawa sila guys. Ito yung result. And yun, dalawa yung mix ko. And ang una kong nilagay is, ano to guys ha, yung Super Stay Matte Ink na lipstick. Yung maganda talaga tong Maybelline na Super Stay Matte Ink. Ang una kong nilagay is Roller 80. And the next one is ito. And this is 130. Silly Starter. Dab. Hoy, what are you doing over here? Oh my goodness. Hoy, get down. Oh my goodness. Who bring you here? Hello, who bring you here? Who did? Who did bring you here? Who did? Excited, who did? Where's Dada? Dada brought you ba up here? Di Dada tuju na niya ba siya? Han? Yeah. Okay. Guys, magandahan talaga ako nitong eyebrow na to. Pero for this one, for some reason, hindi pantay yung brow ko. But hindi naman talaga yan twin. Shout out ako guys. Hindi na dito guys. Doon na lang tayo sa Facebook page natin. Hindi yung Facebook na MaryAnn Avitabile ha. Avitabile. Doon tayo sa Facebook sa MaryAnn Reality TV. Kasi doon na talaga ako guys palaging magpo-post ng mga videos. Sino ba yung... Ilista ko lang guys ha. Ilista ko lang kayo guys. Ilista guys. Ano ba to? Dito din. And ano bang suotin? Ito na suotin natin. Tingnan natin kung anong temperature. 45 degrees sa labas. So, hindi katulad kahapon. Kahapon is grabe. Ang ginaw. Hindi man sobrang ginaw. Mahangin kasi. 32 degree plus yung hangin, di ba? Maraming nagkagusto itong jacket. Akala nila mahal. Matagal tong nabili ni Tami. Yung dito ako, sobrang liit ko pa. Size 0 as in, sobrang liit ko. So, ito parang sobrang laki sa akin. Ngayon, sobrang okay na. Kasi noon, sobrang liit ko. Yung mga malalaki, mga ganitong size. Sobrang parang bulky. Parang hindi ko gusto. Ngayon na lumalaki ako, sinuot ko siya. Pero maraming nagkagusto nito. Mga kapatid ni Tami. Sabi nila, saan mo yan nabili? Ganda. Akala nila mamahalin. Talagang may presyo naman talaga ito. Pero hindi sobra yung mga branded. Regalo to ni Tami sa akin. Sinuot ko siya, nag-start nung talagang gusto ko na siya. What are you looking? Huh? What are you looking? Is it, look, this is where I planted. Did you see I cut the, I cut this.
I see you killed everything here.
It will grow. You know that. I kill everything. I planted, thing over there. What is that on that? It will. Do you like the cucumber over there? And over here is, this one is, I forgot which one.
You should label it so you know.
I think this is string beans, or this is string beans, and this is chili, like the spicy chili red one.
Kill the roses.
What? The rose is right there. There's no rose. Only one rose is. Hi, meat. Hello, rocks. Rock there.
You coming this way? You going
over here. i-transfer ko yung bulaklak dito, guys. Yung sa loob. Let's go na. Come in. Nakita niyo yung yard namin, guys. Nag-green na siya. Start na. Mag-start na siyang magtubo. So that means few weeks from now, guys, mag-start na tayong maglinis. Okay.
Get a haircut.
Why you do?
I need to get a haircut.
She want to be touched, but not, don't touch me forever. I don't like it. Look, the other one coming. Jealous. Jealous. Itchy butt. Look, Roxy's face. She want to play. That's what she want all the time. Play.
What's your play? If I could go out and throw the ball and you bring it back to me, I would kill you. You don't want to bring it back to me.
You want me to close it? Just in case you went up?
Yeah, I guess.
Hold on,
It doesn't matter though.
What is that line thing? I always see that like line, white line.
Oh, what am I? That's not a cloud. That's from a plane.
A plane or a jet plane?
Sky, like, you know, will you marry me?
You can see that a lot in Florida Beach.
Well, that's when they pay for it. For beach weather, when people on the beach.
It's so windy, and then you're speeding. You are speeding even though they're stopping.
No speeding, huh? What's the speed limit here?
What are you looking here? Ah, you're just looking, that's it. Hindi ko alam anong hinahanap nito. The deodorant. Deodorant. It's right here. Dove. Okay, the one that the original, the unscented. Which one is this? Ito yung nabili namin, guys. I'll film you. We're done grocerying, guys. Grocerying. Tapos na kami.
This house and that house were built by the same builder, and that one looks in like way better shape. This one too. They're
How
all
do you-
the same because I can tell them. Builders leave their mark on their.
Like what?
They leave their mark. Like if you look at Bill's house and our house,
Yeah.
same builder.
Okay, so can you tell what mark that tells you?
It depends on the builder. They always leave a sign. Looks like an artist. They always leave a sign.
There's no the same sign with the house.
Yeah, there is.
But this is the
Like-
house that
like
we
this
almost
sign.
buy, guys. This one right here. Yan siya. Muntik na naming nabili yan. Tammy like that house, guys. But there's a lot of renovations inside the house and it need to be fixed everything. That's why guys, Tommy is really disappointed that his taco logo is closed. The logo is closed. It's funny, the taco logo.
Well, for Mexican restaurant.
Kaloka naman ikaw, Hanoy. Why you're always low? He want to try different things. He doesn't even know it's good.
You never know it's good. You never tried that before. I like Mexican food, then the question is, are they any good? That's all.
Is that Mexican food?
Yes.
Food? Taco loco.
Well, not anymore. Now they're a tattoo parlor, so I guess not.
Nag-close sila, guys. Naging tattoo parlor na sila, guys. Tattoo. Tattoo in my heart. So we're just going to go to the regular shopping food center. It's a really big shopping center. The shopping center is so big that it's hard to find food. It's confusing. And this area, guys, we have, I'm not gonna tell you, but the shopping center is so big. Oh my god, we're having a hard time picking which one.
Hey.
Braid! Ay, shit, Han. My God, Tommy.
I make it, but he speeded up.
No. Jesus. Oh, God.
I had nobody coming here, so I figured out.
We cannot do that,
Yeah,
Han.
I'll be flying. Because he didn't want one more car in front of him. That's how they do things in the Philippines, though. They hack the chicken, they just crack the bones and little bone splinters everywhere. That's how they do it. They don't cut the joints.
We don't do that. Why you say that Philippines?
Han, because when I was in the Philippines, that's how, when we ordered chicken all the time, that's how they came. They cut them up for you, but they cut them up, they just take a cleaver and whack them. They don't cut the joints. Over here, you're cutting the joints, so you get like whole bones. Over there, Han, that's not how it was in the Philippines? I haven't commented to you that. Because I've never seen anybody do it that way before. Like there's a splinter to hell out of it. They just whack it up into pieces.
Yeah, kapag bumibili ka ng lechon manok, kinakat nila tig 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 tig. Is it cooked chicken or uncooked?
Cooked chicken, I don't know.
Ah, the roast chicken.
Pick up chicken
The
all the time.
roasted chicken. Oh, the lechon chicken. The roasted chicken. That makes you crazy. You don't like that beef thing. No? That will probably make you nuts. Yeah, eat the beef. Hello? You don't like the beef, hello? Hello, I love you. I know you're safe. You're safe. You're safe. You're safe. You're safe. Mama's here. Mama's here. You're fine. My beef, guys, ayaw ni Roxy. You're fine. You're good. You're good. Hello. Hello, Rox. Sorry, Rox. Guys, ito yung binili namin sa Italian. May guys, nagbi-beep-beep. So, takot si Roxy. Yung yung kailangan na ng battery. Ito guys, veal parm para sa biyanan ko at kay Tami. At ito yung in-order ko. Buffalo Soldier. Any hands to America. Buffalo Soldier. I'm gonna eat with the rice. La la la. I think it's upstairs again. In the stairs, in the hallway up there. Kinain ko na naman lang lipstick ko, guys. Wala na akong lipstick. So, ngayon, nagre-relax lang kami dito. Nandun si Bianan. Hala, somebody's here. Seriously? Huy. Roxy? Huy! What? What is that all about? Did you see that? Kaya nilagyan namin ng cover. Tignan niyo. Ito yung pork, guys. Ano na lang yan. Nilagay ko na to sa i-off na natin ito. And isiso natin. Pabayaan lang natin si Tami na makatulog. Para makarelax. Oh, shocking. Wala ka eh. Paano ba ito? Ano color? Ay, mayroon pala ako. Kalog ka naman isa. Itong si Master, murag ngipon ba? Ba siguwang pangag. Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys ha, yung asawa ko humahagik. Humahagik. Granulated. Sabi pa ni Tami, hindi daw powder. Dapat granulated. Itong English talaga. Granulated. Granulated. I'm gonna do mukbang with this again, guys. With pamimoy, guys. Guys, magluluto ako early kasi para later on early si Tami makauwi. I don't know if Tami what time he's going back to the other house, but the food will be ready. So, gusto ko yung early kasi mamaya, wala na tayong gagawin, di ba? Maghugas na tayo ng plato, pinggan. Plato, pinggan, di same pareha. Pareha lang yan. Wala man yung kaibahan. Hello ka.
Thoughts of suicide. Antidepressants can increase these in those 24 and younger.
She wants to
Elderly
be
dementia
loved.
patients taking Rexulti have an increased risk of
She stands and watches everybody else get loved. I watch her face. She'll stand on the side and just stare at you and watch it. Like, who from somebody from Game of Thrones died recently? Who died?
No one died in Game of Thrones, Han.
Yeah, somebody died, really died.
No.
Yes.
Oh no, the blonde hair, the mother of dragon? No, she doesn't die, Han. You know what? She have a problem. She went to surgery. Head. Well, now I have to check. Tami just told me that meron daw namatay sa Game of Thrones na mga. Ito na, guys. Malapit nang matapos. Daming garlic. Yun. I was really surprised with this. Kasi yung ShopRite na malapit sa kay Tami, ang ano doon is meron din dong pork belly, diba? So ang ShopRite naman dito sa amin na lugar is sobrang na-excite ako kasi pangalawang beses ko na to nakikita itong cut na to. You know, bago ko ito i-marinate, dapat hugasan ko talaga, guys, kasi they take over. Look at them, how they're all the same family, Han. Look. And I don't like that. The birds, guys. All the small birds that Tami's feeding, they're all gone. Even the red snapper, Han. No, snapper is a fish, right? What is that red thing? Cardinal. Nandun si Tami sa labas. Nanigarilyo si Sir Tami. Alam nyo, guys, yes, guys, talking about yung mga sigarilyo. Alam ko na talagang gusto niyang mag-stop. Kasi nakikita naman ninyo, diba? Hindi na palagi siya nakapanigarilyo. As in, iba noon. Kasi every time talaga na mawala yung, yung kamay niya, kuha naman, ganon siya. Pero ngayon, nag-iba na siya. Kasi dahan-dahan, pero hindi niya makontrol pa minsan. Yung parang andun pa rin yung parang gustong-gusto niya, pero gusto niyang pigilan. Hindi ko naman yan siya, guys, masabihin na, wag na, kasi mahirap na kapag i-stop ba. Yung parang sabihin mo na wag na kasi magagalit yun, mas lalo yung kukuha. So, pabayaan ko na lang siya kasi alam ko naman talaga na gusto niya niyang mag-stop. Yung hindi talaga yung stop, gusto niyang i-control. Pero, mahirap kasi bata pa yan na gano'n na. And then ngayon na 50 plus na. Hindi katulad noon na pang, dito, ganang. Ito di. Ang daming fats, nahuhulog. Na lang, half hour na lang, luto na yan. Kasi andito na. Biko ni Billy. Ito yan. So, ito siya, guys. Ang ganda, guys. Maganda talaga siya, guys, Kung sa pa to, sa Korean, ito na siya, i-grill na ito. Hindi na nila i-marinate kasi meron silang mga sauce. Pero tayo, para may lasang-lasa talaga kapag kasi yun, ilagyan natin ng a lot of garlic, guys. Tawag nito Maggi Sabor, additional flavor. You know? Yep. Gamay lang yun yung suka, guys. As in, konti lang suka talaga. Ay, sorry. And itong sina-garlic powder. Look at your daughter. Naka-flavor talaga na gagawin ko dito is itong lemon. Lime siya, guys. The best. Duha ka lime akong ilagay. Igalay, ilagay. Alam nyo guys, kamayin natin para feel. Para talagang maano mo bang na mix talaga siya. Cover natin siya. And that's it. Ilagay na natin tong binili ni Tami na na bread. Diba binilhan tayo ng croissant. Croissant. So, maaga tayo buki. Nag-iba yung croissants nila sa Costco. Hindi na siya parang pa-curve. Nag-iba na yung straight na siya. Hindi naman ito normal ba? Nag-rearrange na si Tami, guys. Kasi ang daming binili na tomato sauce. Daming tomato sauce. How much is in that box? How many?
12.
12 each of them? I need to... Well, this one, it doesn't need to be rearranged box, guys, because they're all like kind of like box looking already, like inside thing. So, you know, hindi na, mga box na siya. So, hindi na dapat lagyan pa ng kasi parang i-ano mo na lang siya. I-file mo na lang siya dun. Do you have more space? Really? It won't close properly because of what you put over there. That tomato sauce? Yeah. That's because wherever that line. Gutom na tong si Roxy, guys. Oh. Gutom na si baby Roxy. Yes, baby. I know. Gutom. Won't fit. And the top one, top higher. That one over there. Tignan nyo tong Scotch Roxy, oh. Want to. I love you, Roxy. Aray, manuklod man ka ba? Panuklod ya? Mura magagaling. Hala, how many milk?
You got one in here, honey. It's like, forget about it.
Hala, hon, I add something. This is the...
I know you did.
Did you see that, guys? Did you see? Kaya
Hey,
to...
guys. Hello.
Kaya itong mga aso, baliw kapag makita nila yung ama nila. Baliw itong aso. Kasi alam talaga nila, may extra.
Bring the food over there.
Hmm?
I gotta bring the food over to her. It's just crazy.
Yeah. Guys. So juicy, guys. My gulay, so juicy. Okay, I will cut this, continue later. And this is what we have. They have pasta, or I don't know if Tammy want rice or something. I don't know. Just do it like I do, like this, huh? Tugs, like that. Tugs. That's it, quick. Tugs. Then you'll know it's hard. Anyway, guys, i-end ko na tong vlog kasi i-end na namin ni Tammy. Wala na kaming gawin. Ang daming garbage ng mga papel. Yan. Anyway, so aalis na si Tammy and i-off ko na to, guys. I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night. Good night.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Good night. Good night, guys.